Welcome back, children, in part 3, chapter 7, function in Calc. Let's start. We will learn some more new functions, right, children? Let's see. The first is mean. Okay. The geomean function returns a geometric mean of numbers given to it. The geometric means of, say, n non-negative numbers is obtained by multiplying them all together and then taking the nth root. You may use up till 30 arguments in Calc. Fine. So value, the syntax is value, comma, address or range. The general form of the function is geomean x1, x2, x3 and so on till x30. For example, if you write geomean 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5, in a spreadsheet cell, it will return 6.8. There is another type of geomean function supported by Calc, OpenOffice Calc, which is harmean. Okay, harmonic mean. The harmonic mean has similar general form as hermean x1, x2, x3 and till x30. Try to find out harmonic mean of the same data using the above function. Children, here we are writing number in cell A1. Number is the what we can say label. The value of numbers are given over here. You can see, children, from B till G, that is 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5. And what we are putting the formula is equals to geomean B1 colon G1. B1 से लेकर G1 तक की हमने cell range दिखाई. So the output is what? 6.822. Okay. Try these all functions, children, in your computer. You can do it in Excel also. Almost same working of the formulas are there. Or either you can download OpenOffice. Fine. Through net, it is totally free. Next is median. The median is defined as middle number of the group when they are ranked in order. If you can not find the exact one middle number in case that the total number of argument is in group is even. So take two middle numbers and average them. Understood? अगर एक नंबर नहीं मिल रहा तो हम दो नंबर को लेकर उनकी एवरेज निकाल सकते हैं, right? So average, take two middle numbers and average them. The median functions returns the median up to 30 arguments given to it. Same. The general form of the function is median x1, x2, x3 and so on till x30. For example, if you write is equals to median 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5. So in a spreadsheet cell, it will return 6.5, children. Same function, same as we have done mean. Similarly, we are applying is equals to median from the first cell range till the last cell range B1 से G1 तक बीच. In between we are putting what? Colon. If you are taking or selecting the range through mouse pointer, so by default it will take B1 comma to C1 comma D1 comma. It will separate all the cell range by comma, as I have already told you earlier. Next we are having this mode. The mode function returns the most common value in data set from the most 30 arguments. So which can be single value or range of cells. The general form is mode x1, x2, x till x30. For example, if you write mode function as mode is equals to mode and the cell range, it will give the output 6. The cell range is what? 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5. You can write any number for trying the example, children, right? So here the illustration is given. You can go through with your own computer system. You can try more examples. Okay. Next is count A. Counter function returns the total number of cells or arguments which have some values. If you have given up 30 arguments, separates with the semicolon sign. Some of arguments may contain some value of any type. So some can be empty. So the counter function returns the total number of cells having say some values in it. The empty cells will not be considered. The general form of function is counter x1, x2 till x30, 30 up till 30 range it can go. For example, if you write counter 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5, it will return 6. The most it will what we say, it returns a total number of cell or arguments which have some values in it. Okay, so it gives 6. So how many cells we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it, children? Next is large value. By default, the function name clears. It will give us the largest value. Okay, let's see, children, here. The large function returns the kth largest numerical value found in the given set of value x, right? The general form is equals to large x k, where x denotes the range of cell containing some numeric values and k denotes the position. Here, like if I am taking out of these 6 values 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5, तो अगर मैं सबसे largest value लेती हूँ तो it gives me 10. But if I say second or third largest, so in that case the example is given is equals to large b1 g1 b1 से g1 तक comma or semicolon 2, so it will give me what? The second position largest value. Got it, children? So that is after 10, the second position largest value is 8. Same we are having the minimum value, small value, right? Similarly, the smallest value, if we are putting the rank of the smallest value or third number smallest value, second number smallest value, so it will give you the smallest value after 10. Yeah. If we say B1 colon G1 colon 4, okay. So it will give you the value after that fourth position, smallest value. Next, we are going to rank function. The rank function returns the rank of the given number in given set of numbers. You need to provide a value for which you need to find the position, the set of the values and order of sorting. 1 for ascending and 0 for descending. The function will sort the values from the indicated set of values in ascending or descending order and returns the position first, second, third and so on of the given number, children. Here the numbers are 67, 47, 56, 78, 59, 66 given in B, C, D, E, F, G cells. Okay, now I want to find out rank 67, comma B1 to G1 if not 0. So 67, बच्चों हमने इससे पूछा कि 67 नंबर का कौन सा रैंक है इस पूरे रैंक नंबर्स की सीरीज में. So the first rank is having 78 marks, you can say, and 67th is the second rank. Okay, you can put the value and ask the values rank in the series list. I hope you got it, children. Then come maximum. It gives us the maximum of the given series of the numbers, right? For maximum, the max function can take up to 30 arguments, as in all the function it takes up till 30 arguments, right? And simply returns the maximum number within the arguments. Similarly, minimum, the minimum number. Here all three functions are given, which we have already done previously, and the rank also. So children, you can see the series of numbers are given 67, 47, 56, 78, 59, 66. यहाँ पे हम maximum देख रहे हैं. ओके, यहीं हम मिनिमम और यहाँ पे हम रैंक तीनों फंक्शंस को एक साथ देख रहे हैं, which we have already done in last slides. Now calculation with money. Okay, Calc also supports other financial functions to aid calculation with money. Suppose one of your uncle comes to you and asks, "Beta, just tell me using your computer how many years should it take me to pay the money I borrowed from a bank, providing that I pay in the equal amount of money even every time, and the interest rate is constant. So what we have to do? You need not to go for big calculation or write complex programs. Your job is made simply by Calc. You need to just write a function in Calc as well. Here is equals to n per rate of interest. Let's say we are taking 7.5% and the amount is minus 12,000 comma 1 lakh, right? Here h per n per is to calculate the period to repay your loan. The first argument is 7.5% is a constant interest rate. The second argument is minus 12,000 is the amount in rupees of annual installment. It is negative as we need to subtract this amount from the total amount borrowed every time an installment is paid. Here your uncle is paying 1,000 rupees per month, as in a year he pays 12,000 in total. Okay. And the third argument is total amount of loan. When you write this function in Calc cell, it will return 13.56 years. This is what your uncle wants. Okay. Try this illustration, children. Total amount is in rupees we have written over here 1 lakh. Then here loan taken, interest rate is 7.5. Then yearly total installments 12,000 as per 1 month 1,000. Function used n per b2 comma minus b3 comma b1. Okay. Now, n per function we are using and arguments we are giving b2, b3 and b1, where as per the argument or as per the label these arguments are given, children. Okay. Now, duration in the years we have found out through n per function 13.56222. You can decrease the decimal point. Okay. Approx 13.5. The general form of the n per function is n per interest, installment, loan, future, type. The formula or the syntax is what? N per. Then in bracket, first argument is interest, second is installment, third is loan, fourth is future, and fifth is type, right? The future argument is used to enter the amount of money that remains after the last payment is made. Usually we repay whole amount of loans. The type argument indicates if the payments are made at the beginning of each accounting period or not. The type argument replies is equals to 1. Reply is equals to 1 when payments are made at the beginning of each according to period as 0. The future as well as type arguments are optional. You may see that we have not used these two arguments in our example, right? As we want to repay all our debts and each installments, we normally pay in the beginning of the account period, failing to which we have to pay more interest. I hope you understood, children. We will be continuing few more features and cell functions of Excel. Okay, those are logical functions that we will apply. Conditional functions we will learn in the next session. Till then, thank you. Go through your textbook and make practice of all the functions which you have done in all 3 slides, right? All 3 sessions till now. So children, take care. Have a good study at home. Thank you. God bless you. See you next session.